Burton-On-Trent, and apparently a gateway to the National Forest.
So yeah, I'm going to Burton. It's actually a really nice, decent spot, especially for the cross-country service. So you get quite a bit of freight through there as well. Again, it's another unique one. I was considering doing Williamson whilst I was in Derbyshire, but I decided against it just because it's a bit of a dodgy one with not many trains stopping there. So I thought I'd play it safe and do a more busier station. And it's also like a shop and stuff in case I need some further snacks, because you know I'm like for snacks. But yeah, 3:50-3:73 is the train this morning. I could have jumped on the front, which was 3:52-66 for a quieter journey, but no plug sockets in the front unit. I usually have to charge my phone. Today I don't need to, but sometimes I do. But nicer seats anyway in the rear for. But yeah, let's enjoy the journey, and I've got to do a quick change at Tamworth to catch the train to Burton-On-Trent. It's running late, 3 minutes late, 10:29, and it's only going to take, it takes 10-15 minutes to get there. I think about 10-15, something on those lines. And it's also one of those odd ones where most services stop there, but a few services do skip out there. For example, the Edinburgh, Waverley, Newcastle, whatever it is, service, Glasgow service, that alternates every 2 hours to stop at either Tamworth or Burton. And then this hour it stopped at Tamworth, and then the next it stops at Burton. So they don't stop at both those Edinburgh, Glasgow ones, but the local ones from Cardiff to Nottingham and Birmingham to Nottingham do stop at both Tamworth and Burton, which is ace, and they are every half an hour. I always feel like I'm changing trains at Tamworth now. Last year it was the joke of changing trains at Stafford all the time, but this year no, it's Tamworth. Yeah, I'll make the joke about how this year it's Tamworth I'm changing, not Stafford. Yeah. Anyway, be trying to catch the train soon. Why am I wandering down these stairs? I need to be up here. I'm wandering down to a completely different platform here. We've got a freight train passing through here at Tamworth. I thought I might as well get this, seeing as it's just a bonus whilst I'm waiting for my train. That one is actually quite short. I've seen some longer ones compared to that one. Trains incoming, a turbostar. 2 of them stuck together actually, which is a bonus, so it shouldn't be too busy because these trains can get packed. Here it comes. What have we got today? On the rear, on the front is 17117, and I'll put the rear numbers on the screen now. I'm on a rather empty turbostar going down to Burton-On-Trent, and I'll spin you guys right round. I've never seen a turbostar this empty before. I got the table to myself and then hooks up here still, and we'll show these ones. Literally empty. So Burton-On-Trent, it is would you believe this, East Midlands Railway run station with 2 platforms, but again unique, similar to a few others I've done now. It only sees cross-country services actually stopping here. But anyways, so I'm going to be doing some filming here for, I don't know, to be honest with you. It just depends what's coming through, just to see how long I'm coming. But the only reason why I'm visiting this station only is because it's quite a popular one. It's an island platform. You have got the bit down there where it goes under the road, under the tunnel bit. But I've come to this end. I have. Only problem is we've got this blooming gravel in the way. So I thought I'd come to this end of the platform because it's quiet down here. Quite a lot of people hanging around that area. There's some seats though, and then there's also some pretty flowers. Look, lots of pretty flowers. Who likes a pretty flower? I do. But yeah, as I said, I'm not sure I'm going to be doing some filming for here. You've actually got a 4-track scenario because you've got one of the outer part as well, which is cool. I just missed the HST though. It literally sped through the station just before I got off the bloody train. Jeez. Hopefully we can get some freight movements in as well. There's no special movements coming through today. When I say special, I mean like your scrap movements or your steam trains. We've just got your casual deliveries on the freight trains. So that's what they mean when they say the gateway to the National Forest. So that's the map. One of my aunties actually lives not too far away from here actually. I think she lives the other side of Derby though. She did used to live down this area, Ashby Dalzuch. And then that's where we are, Burton. And then you've got the junction there, and that takes you on the line to towards Uttoxeter. But we're here on the Birmingham to Derby part. You know how I said I thought I missed the HST? Well, there's actually another one coming through an hour later, so all goods in the hood. So I thought Burton-On-Trent was actually in Derbyshire, but it's actually just on the border of Derbyshire. It's still in Staffordshire, which probably makes sense because my train ticket was slightly cheaper. And I only found that by reading that bus information board which said Staffordshire County Council. I thought it was Derbyshire, but it turns out it's Staffordshire. Some gets his counties confused. So just a couple more freight trains to catch here, then I'm going to get the 1418 back to Tamworth. Only problem is I've got a 50 bloody minute wait at Tamworth. I do. And I'm hoping they don't cancel it, otherwise I have to go via Birmingham. That's the freight train I need to move to film. So I'm going to film these more movements and I'll see you on the train back to Tamworth. There goes my very, very overcrowded train. Glad I was able to get off that. That's the one reason why I hate the turbostars. Half the time there's no seats and everyone stands on the road the hallways. Luckily I got a seat anyway. Now time to get my train and 40 minutes wait because for some reason that train got held at... Would you shut up, love? For some reason that train got held for like 10 minutes just outside of Tamworth. So I'm not sure what the bloody hell was going on there, but it was very, very busy. But anyway, I'm gonna go get the wait for my train back home now. Editing Sam at 2 o'clock in the morning here because past Sam doesn't know how to end one of his vlogs again. So you just watched the train day out in Burton vlog, which I recorded like over a month ago now. And then yeah, hope you enjoyed that vlog. It was a nice day out in filming in Burton. Showing the train on the way home was packed though. I can't stand those bloody cross-country turbostars. I'm going to make sure I book a seat on cross-country in the future when I travel with them again. But it is what it is. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up as well. Comment down below as well what you thought of the vlog. And subscribe as well if you're new to the channel and haven't seen my beautiful face before. And make sure you have the bell on for all notifications so you never miss a video or live stream. We do a mix of videos on this channel. Adios amigos. Bye all. Peace out.